Jiahe is a traditional furniture manufacturer in China.
Because of the fact that we have 4 facilities in different provinces to obtain a raw material cost advantage, it allows us to do wide range products as well as special customized products. Our main product range covers dining room, living room, bedroom furniture, and outdoor furniture that fit for both residential and commercial use.
Now I'm gonna make a tour in our home furniture factory so you can know more about our equipment, facility, employee, and production procedure. Let's go.
Depending on the different categories, we have set up different furniture facilities with complete production capacity for metal and wooden home furniture. Whether it is home furniture or outdoor furniture, except for very few materials that need to be outsourced. We try to complete each process ourselves in order to control quality and cost. All production processes and related machinery or equipment have been validated by our years of manufacturing experience. The average experience of our technicians in some key positions is no less than 10 years. In order to serve our clients better, we built a team in 2020. The core members all have 10 more years experience in average. That's our attitude to define expertise.
In addition to the competitive price, we've never neglected the quality.
Each product we produce is subject to strict inspection. Inspection procedures and standards are generally in accordance with industry standards. We also focus on relevant industry qualifications and certifications to ensure that our factories and products meet the increasing industry. We've been working with top-tier furniture brands in the industry to identify new process innovations. We have extensive project experience in working with hotels, restaurants, and high-end real estate projects around the world. Jiahe Group. Experience a better living.